And this is CNN News 18 exclusive news break. CNN News 18 has tracked down Ashutosh. Now, Ashutosh was present inside the safe house or the play school on the day of the incident, and he says that there were at least 15 to 16 people present inside his residence. And he also said that he saw the question paper being handed over to the students. CNN News 18's Anshul Singh spoke to him. Listen in.
उस दिन एक बार सिलसिलेवार ढंग से बताइए कि 4 मई की रात से लेकर के 5 मई की सुबह 12 बजे तक क्या क्या हुआ, कितने लोग थे आपके फ्लैट पे और आपका ही फ्लैट क्यों चुना गया? मैं पूछ रहा हूँ, आप 4 मई की रात से 5 मई की सुबह तक क्या क्या हुआ आपके घर पे, ये बताइए पहले।
उससे पहले से बताया, वहीं से बताएं?
वहीं से बताइए, 4 मई से बताइए क्या हुआ।
4 मई को सुबह में अकाउंट खुलवाने के मेरा जो हम कंपनी का रजिस्ट्रेशन करवाए थे, मनीष से मेरा कंपनी का रजिस्ट्रेशन करवाया था। पेपर डॉक्यूमेंट पहले दे दिया था, लेकिन पैन कार्ड नहीं आया था कंपनी का। अकाउंट खुलवाने के लिए बहुत सारे बैंक वाले हमसे संपर्क कर रहे थे। तो उसी बीच अथी वाले आए।
कौन है?
हम 3 तारीख को बातें हुई थी रिशु झा से। बोले थे कि कल आ जाइएगा, अकाउंट खोल दीजिएगा। तो रिशु झा आए। क्योंकि मनीष को मैं वो अकाउंट जो दौड़ धूप के खुलवाया, तो मनीष को भी हम कंपनी को जो करवाया था रजिस्ट्रेशन, तो मनीष को
आप पहले से जानते थे?
मनीष को मैं पहले से जानता था, 2015-16 से ही। हम भी मैं सामाजिक कार्य में रहते थे, वो भी सामाजिक, इस सामाजिक कार्य के नाते उससे जान पहचान थी पहले से। इसीलिए मेरा अकाउंट भी वही खुलवाया। 2 बार, एक पिछले साल भी इंश्योरेंस के लिए आया था, हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस के लिए।
ठीक।
तो पैसे खोल दिया था, लेकिन पैसे मैं नहीं जमा कर पाया, नहीं रहता था। इस बार भी आया था हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस के लिए कुछ दिन पहले, वो भी मैंने दिया, लेकिन पैसे के अभाव में नहीं खोल पाया, नहीं खुलवा पाए हम। इंश्योरेंस नहीं करवा पाए। उसी सिलसिले में वो आता था, तो उसी सिलसिले में हम उससे चर्चा की कि मेरा कंपनी का रजिस्ट्रेशन करवाना है, तो कि करवा देंगे हम, पैसे थी। तो वही कंपनी का रजिस्ट्रेशन करवाया, और ऑडिटर है मनीष जी, उन्हीं के मार्फत से उसी का खाता खुलाने के लिए उसको हम बुलाए थे।
मनीष को बुलाए थे आप? 4 तारीख को?
हाँ, जब खाता खुला अभी आ जाइए, सहयोग कर दीजिएगा। तो 12-1 बजे तक मेरा खाता खोल करके
दिन के
बैंक वाले, हाँ, 4
के 12 दिन के 12 बजे तक, हाँ,
वो चला गया।
ठीक। बैंक
वाला। उसके बाद मनीष से कुछ देर और बातें हुई इधर उधर की। उसी बीच मैंने बोला कि आपका सारा काम हम कर देते हैं, ये काम मेरा भी कर दें कि क्या बोलिए।
मनीष बोला
कि क्या, कि कुछ मेरे परीक्षार्थी हैं, कल एग्ज़ाम है, आज रात में रुकेंगे और कल सुबह 6 बजे चले जाएंगे।
अच्छा।
लेकिन नीचे खाली है, रुकने के लिए कोई दिक्कत नहीं, लेकिन आप भैया से बात कर लीजिएगा, मुखिया जी से, प्रभात बाबू से। ये मकान उन्हीं का है, लेकिन मकान का जिम्मेदारी सारे मेरे ऊपर दिए हुए हैं। नीचे रेंट लगाना जो भी है हम ही करते थे, कभी जाते नहीं थे।
ठीक।
तो मनीष बोला कि हम बात कर लेंगे, आप टेंशन नहीं लीजिए। इतने बातें हुई, उनकी बात कर लिया, टेंशन नहीं लेंगे, तो चलो भाई बात कर लिया होगा। हम उसी के भरोसे पे रह गए, और उसी गुड फेथ में शाम में भी एक बार पूछे कि भाई से बात कर लो जी, ताकि हाँ कर लीजिए ना।
अच्छा।
लेकिन वो लोग बात किया ना किया, हमको जानकारी यही हुआ। मैंने उस दिन फिर रात में बच्चे लोग आया, मनीष को बोले कि आप लोग रह जाइएगा, क्योंकि हम लोग को जानते नहीं।
अच्छा, ये बताइए कितना बच्चा आया आपके सामने? कितने बच्चे?
रात में 5-7
बच्चा आया। हाँ, ठीक है।
फिर चाबी नीचे वाला हम उसको गेट के उसी को दे दिए थे, मेन गेट का। हम ऊपर चले गए सोने के लिए।
ठीक।
सुबह उठे 8 बजे, तब देखे कि बच्चे बड़े हुए हैं, कुछ और लोग भी हैं।
कितने बच्चे?
And Anshul Singh is now joining us. Anshul, a very crucial link in this whole case. You've been able to track him. What else did he reveal about the whole thing that was going on in that safe place, also the play school?
Well, one thing is established that yes, there was a paper leak, and this has now been confirmed by Ashutosh, who was very much present inside that safe house on the 4th of May where this entire alleged incident happened. Now, Ashutosh, while speaking to CNN News 18, has very clearly stated the fact that on the morning of 5th of June, that is at approximately 10 a.m., the kids were actually given the question paper along with that answer sheets, the answer key of the entire NEET exam. And it is at 12 p.m. in the afternoon that these kids finally left from the spot and went to give their exams, because the exams were supposed to start at 2 p.m. So these kids that arrived at his residence at on the night of 4th of May at approximately 9:30 to 10 p.m. 4 kids were present over there when he last saw them, and when in the morning he woke up, the number of kids had increased to 10 to 50 to approximately 15 to 16 kids. Apart from them, 4 to 5 other people were also present over there who were giving them those answer sheets and question papers. What has also been confirmed in our investigation is that the number of kids that were present over here, they were actually eagerly waiting for that question papers to be handed out to them, because remember, an amount of rupees 30 to 32 lakhs was taken from each of these students to give this question paper out. So yes, it has now been established that yes, there was a paper leak. These students received those papers. Once they memorized the entire paper, those papers were burnt, and these students then left to give the exam. So this, but one thing is very, very shocking, that till now, neither the EOU or nor the Patna police has approached Ashutosh to record his statement. Why has this happened? This is a big question, because he is an eyewitness. He was the tenant in that house. He was present inside the house. It was on his agreement that the students were allowed to live in that house, in that safe house, where they lived for at least 12 hours before the examination. So what is this laxity that has been shown by the Bihar police? This is something that is a big question. They still haven't issued him summons or issued him notice to come and join into the investigation. He says that he once tried to reach out to the police, but he got scared and turned away from the office of the EOU. And since then, he has been mostly on the run. Today, after a lot of efforts, CNN News 18 has been able to track him down, and get those answers, those crucial answers, as he was one of the prime eyewitnesses of this entire incident. So Ashutosh has told CNN News 18 that yes, papers were handed out to the students. This is an on-camera confession that has come out for the first time on national television, that yes, there was a paper leak that happened. The students were handed out papers in front of him. In front of him, the students were memorizing those question papers, and this is for the first time on national television that CNN News 18 has revealed that how this entire incident happened, how many people were actually present inside the house, at what time were these question papers handed out to these kids, and at what time finally these kids leave from that safe house to go out and give these questions or give the exam. So definitely a lot of chains have now been connected. But yes, one of the person that is still at large, we are also trying to track him down, is Sanjeev Mukhya. It remains to be seen when will either the police be able to track him down, so that the links of an interstate nexus that is being talked about at this point in time, that could be exposed.
Absolutely. Anshul, also as per the details revealed by Ashutosh, the exam, the answer key was given at 10 a.m. and the exam was scheduled for 2 p.m. So the students had 4 hours to prepare for the exam.
Well, yes, this has now also been confirmed that approximately somewhere between 9:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. was the time when the question papers finally reached to the hands of students. Now, not only the question paper, but also the entire answer key was also available. Now, what did the students have to do? They just had to memorize these questions and answers and just replicate that in the exams that were followed. And probably this was the lack of time that the students got. Probably this was one of the reasons that we saw that at least 2 students who had got access to the question paper, they got somewhere around 180 to 200 marks in the exams or the results that eventually came out. So you can imagine the level of these students who were actually trying to get their hands on these question papers, that even after they had access to the question paper, they were not able to qualify the exams as well. So yes, definitely a lot of things now needs to be looked at with a fresher view, especially from the Patna police, especially from the EOU, that the people, at least the eyewitnesses who were present inside the house at that point in time, their statements should be recorded. The Patna police, I don't know why, has not recorded the statements of these eyewitnesses. We have been covering such stories over the last many years, and in every such story, any investigating agency there is, be it the police, be it the CBI, be it the ED, NIA, any agency is there, the first job is to make sure that the statements of the eyewitnesses is recorded, and based on those statements the investigation happens.